Hi, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about the Victorinox Cadet in Alox. Victorinox is based in Switzerland. It is famous for the Swiss Army knives. The Cadet is an 84mm Swiss Army knife from Victorinox. It features 9 functions. It features a large blade, a can opener with a 3mm screwdriver, a barrel opener with a 6mm screwdriver and a wire stripper, It also features a nail file and a nail cleaner. In my keyring I have a little lanyard with a small skull. I love the Cadet because it is very sleek and slim and is ideal for carry in my utility pocket. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you next time.